Our app is called Trinity Trivia. Our app allows users to go onto our app, and while in their app, there'll be multiple choice questions that appear on our canvas with buttons and labels, and the multiple choice questions will be pre-programmed onto the app, and then there'll be a set of like 3 or 4 answers where users if they successfully click the correct button, then a good job message appears. However, if the user doesn't click the correct button, then a sorry, please try again message will appear. If the user successfully click two out of the 3, get the 2 out of the 3 questions correctly right, then the users will go on to a different level where the questions are a little harder, and we're planning on having 2 to 3 levels of the difficulty for users to use. This is a rough sketch of what one of the screens of Trinity Trivia would look like. You see the pre-programmed questions and the answers. So if a user was using the app, the user would read the question, when was Trinity College founded? They would think to themselves what the answer might be, and if they were a good student, they would click 1823, and then a message would appear saying good job. And they'd move on to the second question, who is the current president of Trinity? And you look and you see Burger Sweeney, and if the student was smart again, he would click Burger Sweeney, and then another message saying good job would appear, and then they would be able to move on to a more difficult level.
Our app is socially useful because it helps people learn about Trinity College, whether it be a prospective student who wants to practice for an interview, a student who just wants to learn more about the school, or a person who is a prospective Trinity employee. It can help you learn more about Trinity in general. So the type of app it is a study game app. So while you're learning more about Trinity as a whole, you can play a game to help it be a little bit more fun. Like Cortland was talking about before, we have different levels. So as you get answers correct, you can progress on to more difficult questions. And our app, like I said before, is targeted towards potential employees, prospective students who might want to practice for an interview, or just students who want to learn more about Trinity in general. Our app differs from other apps on the Google Play market because we are the only app that offered trivia about Trinity College. And also, most trivia apps aren't necessarily games, like flashcard apps are just used for studying. And the non-visible components in our app are going to be TinyDB, so the user can save his progress, or automatically save his progress rather, and if then else blocks, which will help us with the messages. So for instance, if a user gets the question correct, a message will appear that says good job, and if a user gets both the questions correct, it'll allow you to go to the next level. But if the user gets the question wrong, another message will pop up saying, sorry, please try again.